Baby, you don't know what you do to me, between me and you.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Selenia. If you're new, welcome. So today's video is going to be sponsored by GIGY hair. They sent me this 16-inch Bodywave U-part wig. And you guys, honestly, this install didn't even take that long. It honestly took me less than like 15 minutes. It was so easy. And I just did some cute little flat on curls. So if you guys are interested to see how I finished this install, keep on watching. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how much leave out I have and what my braids were looking like underneath my U-part wig. I didn't want to do anything special. I just did a couple big braids because, you know, I'm kind of lazy. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take some oil and put it in between my braid parts because even though we are wearing a U-part wig, we want to make sure that our hair is nice and moisturized underneath that wig. We do not want our hair breaking off and being dry. So after I'm done moisturizing my hair and putting oil on it, making sure that it's not dry, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what the hair is looking like straight out of the pack. It is a Bodywave length. Now, this is one of the fullest U-part wigs that I've had. The hair is nice and thick. This is also what the inside is looking like. It came with 4 clips on each side and then some combs for some extra security, and it also came with a band in the middle, but I honestly took that out when I put the wig on because it was kind of making the clips at the top pull on my hair. So the little band in the middle is kind of a little bit unnecessary, but anyways, now we're just going to go ahead and put the U-part wig on. And I also wanted to mention that this U-part wig is big head friendly. I did have a lot of room when I did put this wig on, which I love because it also gave some of my hair some room to breathe. Now, if you made it this far, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and let me know what you guys think about the video so far.
Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love. There's one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. Something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away, palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away. Palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. Sit right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were. But we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Just sit right next to you. You. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around.
And that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching my tutorial. Can't wait to see you guys in my next video.